Am I lying?
No, you ain't lying, bro.
And he booked the reservation here. I told him, I said, book it. He's your biggest fan, and he had to.
Shout out to Mitch.
Yo, Mitch,
Shout
man, Mitch.
Shout out to Mitch.
I did not plan this. Did not plan this, Mitch. My bad. But look, y'all welcome to America.
I feel like I just met one of the Avengers right now, man.
Mitch is going so bad. Got me doing all that. I'm watching.
Fried chicken.
Kentucky, baby. 24 hours and lit.
This shit is amazing, and I'm not gonna sit here and eat in front of you. But I am gonna say this as confirmation. This shit is unreal. Come on.